we're discovering the magical world of medicinal plants from Ayurveda. This is Tulsi, also called holy basil. It helps our bodies stay strong and supports our immunity. And here's ginger. It's wonderful for upset tummies and helps us feel warm and cozy. Look at this bright marigold. It's often used to soothe skin and support healing. And this is Aloe Vera. It feels cool and soothing, especially for sun-kissed skin.